My name is Cody Wisman.
My name is Matt Dyer. They call me the Magician Screen Printer, and I'm back here at the Mason County High School's Graphics Lab.
I'm Tyler Toombs. They call me the Magical Drying Man. This is my machine back here.
Alright, first step here, we're going to spray this with tack. It keeps the t-shirts glued to the table so they don't come up all the front layer. The main thing is to make sure you get it on straight. Just going to line it up, make sure it's flat, and then we're ready for the next step. Alright, this is the screen printing station. It's got your paint on here, and it's got your stencil down here. You go like this, 2 times, 2 good passes. Make sure it's covered. When you raise it up, your logo will be on the shirt. Can't have a sneak peek of that, it's rare. But that's all the screen printing station is. Then you bring this up, swing it through there, let it get on the dryer for 10 seconds, bring it back, run another coat, bring it back, let it dry for 10 seconds.
Alright, it's Tyler Toombs again, the Drying Magician. After Matt's part, we're going to take the shirt off the platform here. Bring the shirt around to the machine with the print facing up. Put it through the dryer. Make sure the print stays on there good when you get the t-shirt. Put it through there real quick.
Alright, as you can see, the shirt's made its way through. Finished logo. Don't be showing this to everybody because it's a rare logo. It's done, it's finally finished. We'll look at the size and then we'll take it over here and put it in a stack accordingly. And
then we
that's
start
how you
the
finish up
process.
the process of the shirt making.
And we start the process all over again.
Okay, so to line these up, guys, you want to make sure spray your table first. Pull it all the way down to where you see your neck is on, and then pull it all the way down at the back. Now, if you look, see the seam on the sleeve. You can feel that it's about the same distance as over here. Okay, if it's not, then you need to adjust it a little bit. That was pretty good. Just make sure you pull the underneath on tight and pull out any wrinkles. That's all you got to do. Okay? Then you roll it around for me. Now, Matt, if you would, go ahead and hit that one. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, let's cure that. We'll cure in about 10 seconds, 7 to 10. Touch it to make sure it's got good hands there, Alex.
It's not dry.
Okay, hit it again if it's not dry.
I think that's the first one that hadn't been dry.
That's good, probably good enough. Just go ahead and okay.
That's going
Clear
to
that one. That looks like a good one. Excellent.
dry.
Give it a tap.
Tap.
Pull it from underneath. There you go.
Cause you put your hand in there and pop it right off.
Make sure you lay it on to where the ink's not overlapping each other. There you go. Perfect. Another one up. My name's Mr Molton, and I teach engineering and technology education at Mason County High School. And wanted to tell you just a little bit about the classes that I teach here and what you can learn in those classes. Our foundations course is Foundations of Technology, and generally all of our freshmen that come into the technology education program will take that particular class. And it teaches you all the basic functions of technology in terms of, or the different systems of technology in terms of transportation, structures, talk about some engineering, learn a little bit about computers, and also manufacturing, which is a big part of that particular track. So basically freshmen will take that, but it is open to other class levels also. Second, I guess the next progression in Tech Ed would be into our graphics area. In our graphics area, you would learn to make things like t-shirts, design your t-shirts, use software that allows us to actually get it onto a screen and screen print t-shirts. And also we would make some things like this. This is actually something that we're going to put on the press boxes at the football field, so our classes typically do these kinds of things. And there's design that goes along with this, and then the application. So you learn quite a bit about marketing and what looks good color-wise and what goes together. So it's a very good class if you want to be oriented into marketing especially. In addition to those two classes, also teach a CAD class, which is computer-aided drafting, and you learn the basics of technical drawing, geometric figures, do some architecture, structure, design, and that sort of thing, which is always a fun thing to do, I believe, for the students that really get into that particular class. And, well, design some structures and then destroy those structures, see how much of a load that they can handle, and that's the fun part of the class usually. So, in a nutshell, that's the technology education program that we have here. There's many other things coming on up in the future, like Project Lead the Way, which is a pre-engineering program, and we look forward to getting into that. In career and technical education, especially in technology education, we offer, or the state offers, a COSA test, which is a Kentucky Occupational Skills Assessment Test. And what that allows is if the student would take that test after they have taken at least 3 consecutive CTE courses in either of the areas, whether it would be agriculture, technical education, or computer apps, then you could test for a COSA certification, which means that you could take this particular certification to an employer, put it on your resume, and show that you are career ready in terms of you specialized in something in these particular areas in high school, which is a great thing. This year we had 10 individuals who passed out of 27 that took it in our area. It can be a very difficult test, but we prepare you for that in all of our classes here. So COSA is a great thing. You want to make sure that you take the 3 to 4 classes in our track and go into that pathway.